I find that when you're a CISO and you become a CIO, you're a more well-rounded CIO. Would you say that's a fair assessment?
I think it is a fair assessment. I think you're a better CIO and a better CISO if you have experience in implementing networks and in implementing hardware like the servers and so forth, and in writing applications and understanding how everything works. I think if you get a person that goes through the ranks and they've only done one thing, then you're not getting the full flavor for the vision.
Well, I think you see that as a challenge because, you said you're a nerd and, being in jail kind of freaked you out. And I don't consider you a nerd. And I'll tell you why. You're very educated. You have a experience that very few people can attest to. You have business, academia, and government. Most people in CISO positions will either come from business or IT.
Mm-hmm.
And if they come from IT, they don't understand business. And if they come from business, all they understand is governance, but they don't understand technology.
It's true.
There's very few that have the mold of understand. To me, and one of the reasons I wanted to interview you for the show, for the podcast, was you've been in every single part of the cycle of developing the next workforce.
Yes.
From the business side of it, you understand what the business needs from an IT and IT security component. From academia, from not only securing in academia, but also working with some of the students in academia to help them get the job skills they need so that they can contribute to the workforce. And finally, in government, which I think, Fulton County, part of Atlanta, and when Atlanta was breached, a lot of people asked why the county wasn't involved in that. And we don't have to get into that if you don't want to, but it was one of those where I don't think the county has jurisdiction over the municipality.
Right. They do not.
Right. So Fulton County, essentially all they can do is just sit and watch.
Or, offer to help. And I think that when the city got breached, that they were very surprised by it. They're just so big, and the systems in government
Are complex.
They're complex, and a lot of them are legacy. And,
Right.
everybody's trying to modernize, but you have to be bimodal. You have to keep the tires on the car at the same time that you're trying to innovate. And if you don't keep the tires on the car and keep the infrastructure fresh, and keep the computer systems that the staff use fresh, then you're not going to be successful with the innovation. So there's a lot of complexity.
The CyberHub Engage podcast is sponsored by CyberHub Academy. CyberHub Academy are cyber business operation experts, helping any size business operationalize cybersecurity within their organization, whether it be tabletop exercises, security assessments, or building a cybersecurity strategy. For more, go to cyberhubacademy.com.